Hi again, this is Wasima Isra. I hope you are doing great, and I am here to share with you one tip of the 365 Days Challenge Tarot and Oracle for Mystic Souls. Please subscribe, like the button like for this video and the videos related to what I'm sharing now, so that I know that you're appreciating it, and it guides me to what I would share more. So I want to share with you this thing here. And I bring you another question, even that is not in the book. So one of my clients had as a guide her loving but not that compassionate grandmother. Besides, it was she who had chosen the first name of my client, which binds her forever to her. This first name is a form of contract that binds her through her actions and her experiences. But she had started to sense, I put the S for her, started to sense the prison in which she was locked, and realized that the contract that binds her to her ancestors by that first name among others, she therefore decided to use her second first name to free herself and to find her truth and live her life according to her own choices of beliefs. So this question of naming has been coming quite strongly these last days. We have names, and you might see that my name, I added another surname to mine, which is Isra, because names come and make a cord around us, depending who gave us the name, and also some names are not really our names. Tell you this example: one person I know had a name from her grandmother, but her parents decided not to use it and gave her another name, which she never really felt it was for her. She always felt that it was like really not corresponding to what she is. And as soon as she started using the name that was given by her grandmother, which was compassionate and strong, she started feeling free. She regained freedom, and her life changed. So when you choose a name, when you choose your own name, or you remember your own name, for me, for example, is Isra, and I have other spiritual names. When I remember them, I remember my true powers and forgotten abilities. So for today, I want to do this spread for you, for those who are watching here with me. Do you have another name that needs to awaken at the moment? What can you do to bring it to the surface so that you can regain these memories and these powers? So, wow. Knight of Pentacles, this is beautiful. As if the person that is watching, and I hope that this resonates with you, there is something about multiple naming, and many Christian friends or people who were born in Christian religion have different names. For example, in Portugal, many people have like 4 or 5 names in a row, which is a lot. But they have this ability to gather different powers, as every name has power. So in this card, what I'm seeing is that there is a basis. You might have already different names, but one of them maybe you have never chosen. And it is about, I'm seeing like something over the eyes. Maybe I didn't see it, maybe I have never considered using it, something like that, I feel also that there is something about names. I'm seeing an animal here. I don't know if you see the same thing as me, but I'm seeing an animal, as if we might, some of us might have names of animals or plants or flowers like the past. And now naming people, I don't know if it has a meaning, if it has I don't know. I'm questioning myself about how we are naming our kids. what powers are we giving them? And sometimes they give themselves these names. Many members of my family, for example, they got their names as an inspiration during a dream time. The mother hears a name in her ears, or she feels that a name is coming to her, some things like that. So I wonder, like this card is telling me, or telling us the message of, where is nature? Is nature present in our names as a way to stay connected to her and to what she is giving us? This is really interesting. I forgot the second question, but it's about how to awaken it or something. And I really love this 10 of Wands. This is so funny. This is really funny. We see that there is this frog and trying to choose and pick, and there is this being that is like angry with that, and we wonder who is giving this. And I feel like this hand is going out from the earth, and this is maybe like I'm seeing like the septic side, and let me know what you are seeing in this. It's really funny, but there is at least this idea of choosing, this idea of picking something. Maybe you need to remember that the names are suggestions for you. They are all kind of keys to remind you who you are and what you come to do here. And this is about an invitation, and you can accept it or not. And if you accept it, try it for some time. Try a name. Try to be called a certain name for some days, and see how that feels. Ask your brother, your boyfriend, girlfriend, your friends to call you with that name for a week, and see what happens in your life and what changes it brings. Because believe me, it will bring changes in an unexpected way. It will change your energy, it will change your vibe, and everything will change with that. Everything around you, everything you do will have a different, very different frequency. So pick your name for today and let me know. So yeah, you see, he's still sleeping. Oh, well, have a nice day, and hope to see you soon. Bye bye.